I'm not here to sell you anything. So please listen to this money making advice, and it is going to 10x minimum your life this year, no matter how the situation you're passing through in your environment. I have no idea your mission on the internet, and I have no single idea the reason why you are watching this episode. But I'm very sure that you are interested to make money on the internet because 99.9% of people that contact me in the last decade wanted to make money on the internet. Everybody wanted to gain financial freedom through the internet. Now, this is my advice for you. Find one, two, or three reliable internet entrepreneur. I'm talking about the one that have having massive experience, the one that have been in the level you wanted to be, the one that have been making the money you wanted to make, and you are going to appreciate me in the nearby future. Don't be like me in the past that I was searching Google across, watching video upon video because of I wanted to be the best on the internet, but I forgot to follow a single reliable entrepreneur. So if you wanted to achieve your internet money goal very fast, you wanted to scale very fast, and you don't want to be wasting time, that is the most valuable. Because we entrepreneurs used to release massive money making secret freely daily. So if you are following us through the WhatsApp or through the email or through the any of the social network, make sure that you follow reliable one or two entrepreneurs and you are going to scale your life very fast. So that is it. So lastly, make sure that you uh, follow me on the YouTube below by the right side and set the highest notifications. So anytime I post, because I'm posting another powerful video within the next few hours in this same day. And also make sure that you share this video across. Let me see your comments below and see if this video do something in your life or I'm deceiving you. Please let me hear your voice in the comment. And lastly, click the description below and you're going to see the link to a particular website. So the purpose of that place is if you wanted to scale your life very fast, okay, I'm going to give you access to a room. You need to follow me. So in that room, I used to share very powerful money making secret every day through the email address. So you wanted to scale your life very fast. Maybe your dream is to make money on the internet. Follow the link in the description below now. You're going to gain access to my email where I used to share a very powerful money making secrets on a daily basis. If I remember, I'm going to add the WhatsApp room. We have a lot of rooms in WhatsApp where I used to share a very powerful money making secrets on a daily basis. I'm very sure that you are going to 10x your life minimum this year. I remember my name, Jeremiah. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Watch out for another Power Pack episode after you have followed me fully in the next few hours. Thank you so much. Bye for now.